See, although society has tainted a painted image of black women, no matter how deadly its clutch and far-reaching its stretch, society can't hold back the truth about black woman. Black woman voice, echoing words of inspiration and cries for help. Black woman is occupied fighting battles on many fronts. Black woman soldier, this world battle. Black woman teacher, teaching little black kings and queens their value, strength and abilities. Black woman strength, she moves mountains and carries burdens like they're light as a feather. Black woman spotlight, always being watched, always being critiqued. Black woman can't make mistakes, her consequences are double if not more than the average individual. Black woman beauty dipped in a melanin that's gold. Black woman bold, not afraid to stand up for what she believes in, not afraid to shake foundations if need be. Black woman doctor, black woman healing, black woman underestimated and doubted, black woman magic, the way she keeps getting handed the shortest of straws yet continues to turn it into more again and again, day in and day out. Black woman wrestler, the way she keeps going head to head and continues to knock down walls. Black woman is definitely her mother's daughter, the way she keeps getting back up after every fall, the way the ground shakes in awe every time she walks. Black woman rock, yet black woman human, black woman flesh, black woman bones, black woman bleeds, black woman cries, black woman is like so many others, black woman is tired. Thank you.